Hello goddesses, and welcome to another video. I am going to be making with you guys a little gingerbread lady, a little gingerbread goddess today. If you guys haven't already, please hit that notification button so you are notified every single time I drop a new video, along with that subscribe button so you can become a part of the goddess family. I love you guys so much. Let's hop into today's video. Now, I don't know why, but for whatever reason, I've been obsessed with these glasses. See, off, on. I don't know why I like them. I just like the vibe. Obviously, they have no lens. If you guys watched my 40 random tagged questions video, I'll go ahead and put it somewhere on the screen. But if you guys seen that video, you guys know that I got LASIK years ago and now I have a fetish for glasses. I don't know where it came from, but it makes me feel like Superman, right? You know how he kind of has like his alter ego? So this is like his day look, and then like at night, bam, he's Superman. So yeah, maybe I'm just like at night, glamour goddess, and this is just kind of like the day look. Don't listen to me. I haven't had coffee yet. So today's video, I'm going to be making my little gingerbread goddess. I figured the glasses would give me kind of a professor type vibe too, like the evil professor, like Frankenstein, right? Because I'm making a little creation. I don't know how the cookie actually tastes. I wonder how it smells. Cinnamon light, obviously, but it smells delicious. I don't know if it tastes delicious, but I'm gonna probably leave one blank, like blank canvas, and then one I'm gonna decorate because I want to enjoy the cookie later on. But look at how cute. It's my little Frankenstein table. I also got just some like little extra candies because I figured that the box wouldn't have enough, which this is all that came in the box. I feel like this is all the candy for 2 gingerbread man, like they were not doing it right. Also, this is the only amount of frosting that I have, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative and not go like too crazy with the frosting. I'm notorious for going crazy on pretty much everything in my life. Like I feel like I use too much tape when I wrap, and like I don't just put a little bit of glitter, like I throw it on there, and I just feel like go big or go home. Like if you're gonna do it, do it. So this is definitely not enough frosting, but we're gonna make the best out of it. Let me get into my little mode. I wish I had music in the background. I'm like debating if I should put music on in the background or if I should talk. But I'm gonna talk, we're gonna talk. I wonder if I should bring this a little lower. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I should have got something to put lashes. I wonder if I can put, I'm thinking like, do I have like a pair of extra fake lashes on me? Thinking my little goddess is gonna have green eyes. I feel like that's gonna be so cute for her. So let's go ahead and open up these little candies. My mom has green eyes. Green eyes, so we're gonna do, oh, that's not green. What do I do with it? Actually, that's pretty good. Okay. Cute. Oh, I'm so excited already. Okay, so let me get a, that was gonna fall. Let me go ahead and open this up. I mainly got this because of the pink. Thinking like I could make maybe like a little dress with these like little pink things. So how would I do that? I think I would literally just kind of like come across here, and I can even do this to put the shoes on already, right? I would imagine. So I'm just gonna do that little zigzags, and I'm just gonna add these. How cute! Oh, do I need more? Probably. This is actually really user-friendly. Oh my god! Woo! This is gonna be the shoes. Oh my god! Okay, maybe this is not meant to be the shoes. Ooh, maybe this can be the shoe? I feel like, so this is like too round, obviously, so I feel like that's not gonna work. So maybe this, because it's a flatter surface, and I'll put it as like the side. Should she have red shoes or white shoes? That's the question. Or should she have, she should do like, red bottoms. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's how my mind works. Okay, I wonder if that looks like red bottoms. Does that look like red bottoms? We'll just pretend it's red bottoms. That's what it's gonna look like. She's so bougie. She's so cute. I really, like, I love her already. Don't know what I'm going to name my little goddess. I wonder, Samantha? Because every time I think of red bottoms, I always think of Sex and the City Samantha. She was so bougie and I love it. I love it. Okay. I don't know if that for real looks like red bottoms, but she's coming along. It's cute. Okay, now for her top, I'm thinking maybe we should do a bustier, kind of like in honor of Selena. I don't know if anybody else has watched the Selena series. I have not watched it yet. I want to, I just haven't got around to it. And then I also hear like mixed reviews on it. People love it, people hate it. So if you guys want to comment your opinions on the series down below, let me know if it's worth watching. This is cute. Anyways, maybe she should be me. She'll have like a little belly piercing right in the middle or something like that. And the belly piercing will be purple. That'll be cute. Ooh, cute. Kind of, okay. What do you do on your Friday nights? Well, I make a little miniature goddess people out of gingerbread. Wow, this is interesting, but okay, so we have to give her some lips. So I wonder if I should, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and give her some Fenty Rihanna kissable lips. Let's see. So cute. She's gonna overline her lips just like me. You know what? I'm just going to paint on lashes and brows and stuff with eyeliner. So let me go get my eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Stila Slay All Day, Stay All Day lash eyeliner to go ahead and give her some lashes and some like maybe some bottom liner. Because if she's gonna be like me, like I always wear bottom liner. Ooh. Ooh, my little goddess gingerbread cutie, even more adorable, but this is her. Oh my gosh, doesn't she remind you of, pretend that didn't happen. We have to do an emergency surgery, hold on. Okay, she reminds me like the little gingerbread man from Shrek. Like if he had a girlfriend, this would be her. I feel like she has that look. She's very adorable, very cute. Her little red bottoms. Slay all day. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to do a little bit of arts and crafts yourself. Have a little bit of fun. Put your own unique twist on everything that you do. I love you. Until next time. Bye, goddess.